In this video, we will answer one of the most controversial questions, which is the killer factor, current or voltage? Consider subscribing to Electrical Engineering Planet channel to support our community. Actually, to answer this question, we have to return back to the electricity most basic rule, which is Ohm's law. In this circuit, we have a 12-volt source and 10 ohm resistance. So, according to Ohm's law, only 1.2 amps will flow through the circuit. But if we increase the voltage to 200 voltage, for example, a 20 amps will flow through the circuit. So, as we increase the voltage for the same resistance, this will force more current to flow through the circuit. Our bodies like resistances. In normal conditions, your body resistance from hand to foot could vary from 1000 ohms to 3000 ohms. So let's say that we have a body of 2000 ohms that is touching 12 voltage source. Now the current that will pass through the body will be 6 milliamps only, which is not dangerous at all. But in case of 200 volt, the current that will pass through the body will be 100 milliamps, which is so dangerous and could cause heart attack. So the voltage is the most dangerous factor. In the next video, we will continue answering the most asked interview questions. Please feel free to check the resources in the description down below. Consider subscribing to Electrical Engineering Planet channel to support our community. Also, don't forget to share, like, and let knowledge enlighten your world. Thanks for watching.